Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day today, not necessarily because it was red on the day, but because from a technical point of view, it broke down below a level that, had been doing a good job of holding strong, and that level was right here at the $20.75 mark. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that overall, this had formed what seemed to be a good solid area of support. And not only that, it actually started to get the price to bounce back upwards. So while there's no such thing as a guarantee, my point here is that, after this level had formed, it became a very valid and rational question to be wondering, hey, you know what? Maybe the bottom's finally in. Maybe this thing is finally trying to get itself turned around. But that today was all wiped away. You can see there was the gap down. And then the price not only broke below that green line, but just kept on sinking and sinking after doing so. But I go through all that because now brings about a very important level to watch moving forward from the resistance side of things. And this is just because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 2075 is now going to be that main area of resistance. So if the price does continue to consolidate out and then tries to work its way back upwards, the big question mark now remains at the 2075 mark. Can the price actually get up above it? Because that's sure. I mean, the price can bounce, but in the sense of, well, I don't know, is there any sort of genuine true strength behind the current upwards price movement? A good way to test that is just seeing how the price behaves up around the 2075 mark. So keep a close eye on that from a resistance side of things. As far as supports are concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all, other than the fact of where did the bleeding basically stop today? That was essentially down there at $19.40. So bleeding stopped at $19.40. So for that reason, very straightforward, is going to be that main level of support moving forward. But yeah, rough day today, but still a couple days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.